We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly. How to go about pronouncing it? In British English, this is normally said as simultaneously. You do want to stress on the third syllable, on the te syllable, in both cases. Simultaneously in British English. In American English, however, this is usually pronounced as simultaneously, with a say sound at the beginning instead of si. Simultaneously versus simultaneously. Simultaneously in British English as opposed to simultaneously in American English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce many words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly obvious, including variants between British English and American English. See you there to learn more.